Welcome to
my
channel!
Wow, we're already serving content at the first seconds. I love it.
Okay, so you go first.
I don't want you to introduce me because you're going to say something rude.
She's the team mom, EVA. Okay, next.
Teen or team?
You're the team mom. This is our other captain, Brooke. Sophie, Natalie, Emily Smith, Lexi, New Chain. Anna, Noah, Allie, our team mom, Pete, and Marley. Okay, your turn.
And then?
Introduce yourself.
Oh, you introduce everybody else.
Emily.
Taking the floor in the co-ed division is Madison Memorial High School.
Also, hashtag we love Dunkin'. We went there this morning. I've been there 6 days in a row this week.
Comment down below if you like iced or hot coffee.
Ooh.
We're team ice.
Let's do it. Let's go around. Let's take a vote. Iced or hot coffee?
Oh my god. Ice.
You guys suck. Iced or hot?
Ice.
You guys are depends. I don't like coffee.
Iced. Yes.
Let's go!
Oh, hey.
It's been a long 4 years.
5 for me, because hashtag 7th grade. It's your hashtag. Then your girls basketball is already.
Don't count.
Oh, okay. So,
Captain by default, sorry.
Floor in the small co-ed division is Madison Memorial High School.
It was off to a bad start because our handshake didn't go.
Very
that was it. That was why it didn't go.
If our handshake doesn't go, then
literally be easier to go get through one.
that's that. And cut.
Wait, it won't focus. I'm upset.
It wasn't focusing for me earlier.
Wasn't my personal best. Like Tuck. One of our teammates got hurt
Let me try my.
on the jump. So, we're on a mission to get ice.
Scary.
Am I even in the frame? I can see myself.
You're too skinny. They can't see you.
Yeah. I am physically tired. It's been like a long 3 days of cheer.
Well, since we didn't have school on Wednesday, it didn't feel like that was a day off almost. So we could cheer practice Monday.
This whole week.
Every day.
Yeah. And we did like 50,000 fallouts. It's crazy.
That's how I learned the whole season to be. Like on Saturdays were our full butt days. You feel?
Yeah.
That's how every other team is.
Oops, sorry. So I'm glad we're doing that today. It makes me happy.
Yeah.
Update us.
So we just got some ice out of the training room. Let's watch it.
Wait, who said that?
Me.
I can't see anybody.
I thought of it and then you guys hear it. Like, there's a microphone in my head.
Okay.
We just did 7 fallouts, 2 more to go. 7 fallouts. We hit like 4 of them.
We hit something like that.
I think we hit 4 of them.
How do you zoom in on this? I want to zoom in.
The lens.
But it gets foggy. How do you make it not foggy? Because I was making everything foggy.
You focus. You press the button and focus.
see my pores?
I wasn't doing.
Period!
EVA looks like the creature from Ice Age.
Okay. I'll do it with you.
That was Okay, wait, again. Does anybody want to? I joined this team for 2 years.
Same.
2 previous year I was on West team.
Been here for 2 years, Cardinal for 2 years, CCS all for
Yeah, we're international.
Who was that?
International.
It was Charlotte Central School in Vermont.
Smile, Allie. Noah, we have to feature you.
Noah, say something about
Smile.
being a senior.
Wave check.
Wave check.
I don't have any waves anymore. I'm a senior.
What college do you want to go to?
UW Madison.
Take out your bow. Ooh, I'm extremely nervous, but look at this view. It's beautiful.
Get me from the other side because the lighting's better.
You're paler. Okay. Okay.
Didn't see you there.
Well, I can't see you either.
So you guys should all stretch out.
Yeah, I just did. Wait, do me.
Together. Okay.
Yeah, do it.
You guys come in here so we can stretch. Okay, go.
Oh, we can practice our routine.
Cute. Hey, ladies, ready for warm up? No.
For once in my life.
Is anybody else coming out?
Bend it over. Touch your toes. Ready? Let's do
Yeah.
it. Ready? Oh, Emily's still coming out.
Okay.
They're taking too long.
And Ellie.
Hurry up, friends.
So we just performed. Whoa! All our stunts hit.
Yeah.
All of them.
Very surprised. Here, show my bruises. Show my
boobs.
Show my boobs. And these battle scars. That's because my fire can't be up. Never.
Oh, that's because, yeah, I never be up, but you know.
It hurt.
Oh, okay, casual shirt.
Right, we're heading to our wars right now. I feel good. I feel very good. Last
girl.
competition, cheers.
Ding.
Okay, go.
So we were one of 6 teams, and they only announced the top 3, and we weren't one of the 3, so we don't know our placing yet, but we'll find out soon.
I think by the time I'm editing this video, we'll find it out. Yeah.
It'll be placed right here.
Such a look.
Okay. Do you want to say like, comment, subscribe
Like, comment,
And subscribe.
to the channel? You already did that in the car.
No, she said welcome back.
Wait, hold on. We need to think of the content first.
Hey.
We already did welcome back.
Should I be like, Sun Prairie?